Mukenya Francis Awino rungu rwa kiungano kia bunge la mwananchi ahadire cira wigimaine na wagarari wa ihoto cia umundu igoti-ini ria East Africa Court of Justice ria Arusha Tanzania gitetia makiria ma ikuũ 60 na unyitani wa migwate hindi ya mirurungano. No ciumia igiri wabici-ini munene wa watho Dorcas Oduor arauga wabici yake ndikinyirwo ni mwerekera o wothe kuma kuri igoti riri.
The Attorney General will do what the Attorney General is required to do under the Constitution and will make sure that whatever the Attorney General does is in the public interest.
Cira-ini uyu wabici ya President, munini wake, Minister wa ugitiri Kithure Kindiki na Inspector General uria weheririe Japheth Koome nio mathitangitwo.
Families of victims.
Mwerekera wa ICJ ukite thiku imwe tu kuma ikundi cia gutira ihoto cia umundu ciauga ni igatwara marua kuri wabici ya President keriga kiumia giukite makienda gutaukwo kiria giacungirie njuragano cia Kware mwena wa Embakasi South wataciuria cia Kenya aria matari moneka.
We even feel like we won't wait until October 7. We are going to file an application and a certificate of urgency so that we can get orders which will bar our government and our rogue police officers from violating our constitution.
Gukiria uguo munene wa watho Dorcas Oduor ni ugite ati kirikaini riake wabici-ini mawatho ma igoti no ginyagia mathikirwo akiuga egutigirira honge ciothe cia thirikari itinagarara watho wothe.
Obedience of court orders. The law requires that we obey court orders. As and when an occasion arises, I will urge everybody, not only the executive, everybody and all of us to obey court orders. If we find that they are difficult to satisfy, we have an opportunity where we can still go back to court to ask them to review. Where compliance is difficult, we can go back to court and ask them to review the requirements of our compliance. We also have an opportunity to appeal against the court orders.
Na riri thirikari ikoretwo igitungio igotha ria kurugamia kwa imwe cia tafaria cia thirikari igoti-ini makiria kumana na wagarari wa gukuruhanio kwa woni wa muingi. Oduor augite ni eguteithia President kunina iremithia ta ici iria augite ikoretwo ari muhinga wa utwarithia wa na mbere wa tafaria cia thirikari.
They are supposed to bring some consistency in the way we defend the government, and we hope that by doing that and having good brains, not that the ones who are there are not good, but a coordinated department that has expertise from different areas so that we can work our cases better. And we also hope that we'll be able to advise the government on time.
And as the bar, we commit to supporting you as our titular head in terms of the direction that you have taken, and let us work to ensure that there is better service delivery.
Kirio uguo augite rungu rwa wabici yake ni guguthaganio gicunji kia mwanya gia kurumanira na macira megimaine na ugitiri ona utonga wa bururi niguo tafaria cia thirikari gakinyanagira hatari na mihinga igithemo igoti-ini.
It's been a systematic problem which no one person can solve. But we hope that from now on, as the Office of the Attorney General, and we'll be explaining to you later, we are going to have a strategic litigation division. And this strategic litigation division is supposed to uptake cases that touch on national security, stability and economic development.
Girifotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.